day. Welcome to Lawyer Up by NDV Law. This is Attorney Nikki de Vega, Managing Partner of Nicolas and de Vega Law Offices. Well, in today's video, I will give you a glimpse of notarization through video conferencing in the Philippines. It was just recent, just this July 14, 2020, the Philippine Supreme Court issued Administrative Matter Number 200704 SC, known as the 2020 Rules on Remote Notarization of Paper Documents, or the RON Rules. This became effective, 15 days after its publication. The RON rules allow the performance of notarial acts through video conferencing in places where the notary public, or at least one of the principals, is in a locality under community quarantine due to COVID-19. In effect, personal appearance, which is required in notarization, now includes a situation wherein the principal, the witnesses, and the notary public can see, hear, and communicate with each other and present and confirm competent evidence of identity to each other in real time through the use of video conferencing facilities. So I'll walk you through in the process which you need to observe in notarizing a document under the RON rules. So number one, the principal shall deliver either in person or through a courier service to the notary public the document, together with copies of two competent evidences of identity, or the ID, and the video in a CD or USB, but this is optional since you can actually email it to the notary public, a video of the principal actually signing the document. So all these must be enclosed in a sealed envelope and must be initialed by the principal. Number two, upon receipt of the documents, the notary public shall schedule a video conference with the principal. Number three, during the video conference, the notary public shall require the principal to confirm his identity and location. This is what you call the geolocation, so you can do this through an app with a GPS, or the Supreme Court allows the showing of identifiable landmarks. Number four, the notary public shall open the sealed envelope in full view of the principal and will require the principal to confirm the document. Thereafter, number five, the notary public shall also require the principal to confirm that he has read the document in its entirety and has understood all its contents. Number six, likewise, the notary public shall require the principal to affix his handwritten signature on a blank piece of paper within full view for comparison with the signature appearing on the document. Number seven, the principal will also be asked to confirm that the signature appearing at the end of the document actually belongs to him and that it was voluntarily affixed for the purpose stated in the document. Further, the principal must avow to the whole truth of the contents of the document under penalty of law. Number eight, the notary public must review the video clip, remember that USB or CD, submitted by the principal to verify that he actually signed the document. Number nine, the notary public shall take a photograph or a screenshot of the video conference, which should show clearly that all the parties participated in the notarial act. This is important because the notary public will need to, it must show that the notary public is holding the document, the first page of the notarized document. It must be visible and identifiable in the screenshot. And that screenshot or photograph must bear a time and date stamp. So this will be attached by the notary public in his notarial register. Number 10, once all of these are done, the notary public shall complete the notarial certificate in the document. So he must also affix his signature thereon by hand and then the official seal. So the notarial certificate must state that the notarial act was done through the use of video conferencing facilities in accordance with the RON rules. And finally, number 11, the principal shall cause the retrieval of the notarized documents from the notary public either personally, send a messenger, or through a courier service. So that is allowed. It is important actually to point out that the notary public as well as the principals and the witnesses, if any, must be located within the territorial jurisdiction of the notary public's commission during the video conference. So, hindi pwedeng magkakaibang lugar na outside of the notary public's jurisdiction. The notary public may actually refuse to perform the notarial act in the event that the principal or witnesses exhibit behavior that engenders reasonable doubt as to his understanding of the document or indicates a defect in his consent. In effect, parang pinilit. So in addition to notarization fees, all expenses in connection with the remote notarization, well, which also includes the expenses for the reproduction of the instrument or document and the delivery thereof either by personal or courier service, of course, shall be borne by the principal. So, this is how notarization through video conference during the quarantine is implemented in the Philippines. Well, if this video has been helpful, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. You can also visit our website, ndvlaw.com, to learn more about legal matters in the Philippines. Again, this is Atty. Nikki de Vega, Managing Partner of Nicolas and de Vega Law Offices, saying thank you for watching Lawyer Up by NDV Law.